Hello everyone. Now I wanted to start with class 5 Olympiad, and this is the book which I'm using right now. So let's start with chapter 1, number sense. In this chapter, the topics covered are numerals and number names, place value and face value, Indian system and international system, Roman numerals, estimation to nearest tens, hundreds and thousands, formation of a number by using the given information, expanded form, ascending and descending order, and the word problems. Now let's start with mathematical reasoning. Question number 1. What is the numeral form of the number name given below? So there was one name given, you need to find that in the numeral form. 104,103. 104,103. So the number itself, when you are reading, it's clearly given as international system. In international system, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, then million, right? So the number is given as 104,103. So 103, 4,000, that means 4, 100, 104,000, 104,000. These three are thousands. So 104,103. So is this a number? Yes. So where we need to put the commas? Ones, tens, 100. You need to put the commas here. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. If you are writing any number here, you need to put the comma here. For every 3 digits, you will get a comma in international system. So 104,000. These three are thousands. So 104,103. So option C is the right answer for this question number 1. Next one. The sum of place values of all the digits of the number. Sum of place values. Sum means addition. Sum of place values of all the digits of the number ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. 7,29,568. 7,29,568. The sum of place values. What are place values of all the digits? Place values will remain the same. So 58 cannot be the place value of this. 37 will not be the place value of this. 70,000 cannot be the place value of this and this. Sum means addition. If you add all this, the same value will get. So no need to solve this directly. You can write, because see, 7 lakh plus 29,000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 8. If you add all of them, you'll get the same answer. So the sum of place values of all the digits of the number will always remain the same. Okay. Next one, question number 3. Now Roman numerals. Roman numeral for the greatest 3-digit number is. For the greatest 3-digit number, what is the greatest 3-digit number? Greatest 3-digit number is 999. So how do we write this in expanded form? 900 plus 90 plus 9. So how do we write 900? How do we write 900? D is 500, C is 100, L is 50, this is 10. M means 1,000, right? So how do we write 900? 900 is CMXC1X. Got it? Why are you writing cm here? What is the purpose of writing cm? M is 1000. 1000 minus 100 will become 900. And c is 100. X is 10. So 100 minus 10 is 90. And 10 minus 1 is 9. See, when you have a greater number prior, that means you need to subtract from the previous number. So m is 1000, c is 100. So 1000 minus 100 is 900, c is 100, x is 10. So 100 minus 10 is 90 and x is 10, 10 minus 1 is 9. So 999 we need to represent as CMXC1X. CMXC1X. So option B is the right answer for this question number 3. Now let's move on to question number 4. 90 million. 90,000. 90 is same as 90 million. When we see million, that means we need to understand it's given in the form of international system. It is in the form of international system. So international system will have ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. So international system will have ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million. So here, what is the question given? What is the question given? 90 million, 90,000, 90, 90,000. So your 1000 starts where? So here 0, here 0, here 9, then 90 million, 90 million, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 millions. So 90 million, 90,000, 90. Got it? So how are you able to do it? See here, million is 90 million. So these two are millions, right? So 90 million, and it is not 900,000. It is only 90,000. So 090. So 90,000 and 90. So option B is the right answer for this question number 4. Let's move on to the question number 5. In ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 2,46,349, the place value of 4, at 10,000's place, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, this is 10,000's place, is dash times the place value of 4 at 10's place. So this is 10's place. The question is given as fifth one, 2, 4, 6, 3, 4, 9, and we have 4 and 4 here. So this is 10's place, and this is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000's place. One is in 10's place and one is 10,000's place. So the place value at 10,000's place is dash times the place value at 10's place. So how do we do this? The place value is 10's place. 10's place is 40. 10,000's place is 40,000. 4 into 1,000, 10,000 is 40,000. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So 40,000. 40,000 is for 40. How many times if you multiply you will get 40,000? So you need to, already 1 0 is there, so you need to multiply 3 zeros. So 40 into 1 2 3 zeros. See, 4 into 1 is 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So how many times you are multiplying? And 1000 times you are multiplying. So your option will be B. So when you are multiplying, you have to check how many times if you multiply, you are getting the value of 40,000 for this tens place. So answer B. Next question. Which of the following Roman numerals is meaningless? So meaningless. So there are some Roman numerals which are meaningless. So let us check one by one. First one, it is given as, first one is given as CX. So first let us sort it out with CX. Second one is XXV. Third one is VX. Fourth one is MCX. Let us see which one is wrong out of all this. What is C? I told you C is 100, X is 10. So 100 plus 10 makes 110. Next one is 10 plus 10 plus 5. That is equal to 25. Next one is V. V means 5. V means 5. And here is 10. 10 minus 5 will become 5. So this is meaningless. So when it is a greater number, you need to subtract the previous number I told you just now before we have solved it for third problem. So 10 minus 5 is 5. So VX cannot be the proper one. Next option D is MCX. M I told you it is 1000. C I told you it is 100. And X I told you this is 10. So what is the answer? 1110. So meaningless. Option C is the right answer. That doesn't have any meaning for it. Next question. 5,25,215 can be written in international system of numeration as. So they gave number name and they gave clear instruction of international system. International system, you need to write the numeration for the number name. So let us try question number 7 now. First, let us write. For Indian system and international system, you need to remember, first you need to write the format so that you will not go wrong anywhere. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. As it is international, we have 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. Okay. Now let us see how they gave the format. So here, first look, 5,25,000. So 5,25,215. Okay, they gave it in Indian form. 5 lakh comes in Indian form. In Indian system, not now we have to make that an international system. So first let us put the number in Indian system. This is international format. Now let us write this in Indian also. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. This is an Indian format. So first let us put this. So 5 lakh. Where is lakh? 5 lakh. 5 is single digit number, so I'm starting here. 5 lakh 25,000. So 25,215. 215. So this is the format they gave for Indian system. Now you need to convert this in international system. So what will change? Nothing will change here. In Indian system, we get 5,25,215 after 3 digits comma and after 2 digits comma, and after here we'll get the comma. And whereas the same thing, see, hundreds and this will not change. So this remains 215 as it is, and here also 525. Welcome. So here we put commas in different way, 525, 215, because we have 100,000 here and we have lakh here. That is the only difference, and we get a period. We call this commas as periods. So this is the difference you have in this and in this. Okay, we call here 525,215. Here we call it as 5,25,215. So your option is 525215. Option A is the right answer for this. Now let's move on to the question number 8. So what is question number 8? Compare and fill in the box. So here we need to do comparison. This is called Roman numerals, and just now I gave you a clear clue for you is D is 500, C is 100, L is 50, X is 10, V is 5, M is 1000. So by this, can you try it out? Yeah, you also try it out by yourself. I will show you here how does that work. CMLXV. Okay, CMLXV. C is first here small number, then greater number you have. So what you need to do, M is 1000, C is 100. First let us write this. So here first one, then L is 50, X is 10, and this is 5. So CM, M is 1000. 1000 minus 100 is 900. So CM is 900 plus L is 50 plus X is 10 plus V is 5. So total 950 plus 10 is 960. 965 is the notation for this. For this is the notation. Now let's move on to the next one. DCCC LXX1. So you know D is 500, which I already told you. Then C is 100, 100, 100. L is 50, X is 10, X is 10 plus 1. So 500 plus 100, 600, 600 plus 10. 600 plus 100 is 700, 700 plus 100 is 800. 800 and plus 50 is 850, 850 plus 10 is 860, 860 plus 10 is 870, 871 is the notation for the value of this. So which one is greater? So definitely CMLXV is greater than DCCCLXX1. So option A is right answer for this. This is greater because this number is around 965 and this number is around 871. Next, let's move on to the next page. Roman numerals, question number 9. Roman numeral for 752. Now children, you can do this. As I told you, 500 plus 200 makes 700. 500 is, I'll show you, 500 is D. Yes, what is the number? 752. You already know D is equal to 500. So D is 500 plus 100 plus 100 plus 50 plus 2. How can you write this? D and C is 100. One more C. Then 50 is L. Then 2. 1, 1. So DCCL11 is the notation for this question number 9. So let's see which number is that. So DCCL11. Option B is right answer for question number 9. Now let's move to the question number 10. What will we get? What will we get if we subtract 1 from the smallest 6-digit number? Yes, what will we get if you subtract from smallest 6-digit number? The smallest 6-digit number is, see, I'll tell you, smallest 2-digit number is 99, smallest 3-digit number is 909, these are greatest numbers, smallest number, and these are the greatest numbers. Smallest number of 2 digits is 10, right? Smallest number of 3 digits is 100. Smallest number of 4 digits is 1000. They're asking smallest number for 6-digit. So, how many zeros you'll get? 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-digit number smallest. So 6-digit number smallest is this one. And they are asking you to subtract 1 from the smallest one. So minus 1 if you do, what will you get? So how many 9s you'll get? 5 9s you'll get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. When you subtract from this, you'll get 5 9s. So where is the 5 9s? So that will be your option. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Option A is the right answer for question number 10. Now let's move on to question number 11. So what is question number 11? 100 lakh equal to how much? So question number 11 is 100 lakh equal to dash. So 100 lakh they gave. So how we have to find out how much is that? 100 lakh equal to, and the options are 10 million, 1 million. So you need to convert and check 100 lakh is how much. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So let us see 100 lakh. So you need to convert that also, right? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores. So this is Indian format. This is international format. And they gave you in millions. That means you need to find. So how do you find this? What is a way to find it? So 100 lakh, how do we write? First we'll write that. So how many zeros you will get it for 100 lakh? How many zeros you will get it for? How many zeros you will put? So let us see first how many zeros you can put. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Lakh. So how many zeros? Any idea? Any clue? 10 lakhs. They're asking for 100 lakh. So 100 lakh is for 10 million. 10 million is 100 lakh. Million, 10 million. 10 million is 100 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10 million is 100 lakh. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crores. Okay, this crore is nothing but 100 lakh. So that is 10 million. So 10 million is 1 lakh. 10 million is 100 lakh. Now let us see question number 12. Which of the following options shows the successor? Predecessor is before number, successor is after number. of the number on the given abacus. So what is given? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 has given. This is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1. So 4, 2, 4, 5, 2, 1. 4, 2, 4, 5, 2, 1. Option C is right answer for 4, 2, 4, 5. Oh, sorry. Option 4, 2, 4, 5, 2, 1 is the original number. For that you need to add plus 1 because successor. The successor means next number of that. So 4, 2, 4, 5, 2, 2. Predecessor means before number. Successor means after number. So after this you will get 22. That means 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So 4,24,521 is the answer. Then 4 lakh, if you add 1 to it, 4,24,522 is the answer. So option B is the right answer for this. Question number 13. Round off the number ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 46,589 to the nearest hundreds. So children, what you need to do for the nearest hundreds to round off, what you need to check? You need to 589. So 500 above 50 it is there. So you need to go with option A because 46,500 and more than 550. So it is 600. So 46,600 is the right answer for this. Okay. Then next, the difference. Difference means subtraction. The difference between the place values of the n circle digits of the given numbers is, so here 42.352 comma 160 and 24 comma 68 900. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, it is in international system. Ones, tens, 100. Okay, you need to find the difference between this and this. So how do you find the difference between that and this? Place value of this you need to check. Place value of this is 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. And place value of this is 3 zeros because after this you have 3 digits, so 3. So this is 50,000 and 8,000. So you need to subtract 50,000 with 8,000. You will get 42,000. Okay, so 42,000. You need to check the difference between these two circle ones. So here the place values of this is 50,000. The place value of this is 8,000. So 50,000 minus 8,000 is 42,000. Yes, just now I told you successor is after number, predecessor is before number. Predecessor is before number. Predecessor of largest 5-digit number. Largest. Just now we discussed smallest and greatest. Greatest is nothing but the largest number. So smallest is 10, largest will be 99. So here 5-digit number is 5-digit number. What is 5-digit? Smallest, largest 5-digit number. Question number 15. Largest 5-digit number. Largest 5-digit number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they are asking for predecessor. Predecessor means before number. So before number is nothing but minus 1. You need to do 99998. So predecessor is before number. So answer is 99,998. So question number 15. None of these. Your answer should be 99,998. No answer. So here they have not given that answer. So none of these is the option D for question number 15. Next one, question number 16. Which of the following options is arranged in descending order? Children, what is descending order? Ascending order is small to big. Descending order is big to small. Always remember A starts. So starting means small letter to the big letter. D is decreasing. That means from when you get D descending order, that means you have to find the greater number to the smallest number. Decreasing. A means ascending. Ascending, that means the letter itself starts with A, that is small number to the bigger number. So here descending is bigger to this big to small. Descending is big to small. So from this options, which one is descending order? You need to find that. Look here for the option A, 7,39,154, 7,93,000. So second number itself is increasing. So option A is definitely wrong answer. Let's move on to the option B. 8 1s, 10s, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 8 crore, 50 lakhs, 76,745. 8 crores, 50 lakhs, 76,000. This is 745. Here we got 547. 547. Here in 10,000's place 76 we have, and here 67. That means it is decreasing. From here 574 to 547, it is decreasing. That means it is bigger to the smaller number. So this is a right answer for this. Big to the small. Big to small. Always D is decreasing. You have to write big to small. Next, question number 17. Face value of 3 in 1s, 10s, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. 7,21,348 is 3,000, 3 lakh. So definitely it is place value of 3 is 300 only. That means 3 face value will be, the face value of 3 and 3 face value, place value of 3, the face value will remains the same, right? So face value is 3 only. Whatever the place value might be, the place value will remains the same. So 3 is the face value, that means it is 3. The option is A. Which of the following will be the greatest? They're asking you the greatest. If each number is round off to the nearest 1,000. So which of the following will be the greatest? Okay, we need to first round it off to the nearest thousands. Then we need to find the greatest value out of this. So let us see this first. For option A, when you're rounding off, it becomes 485. 9 is there, so it becomes 486. 3 zeros. Then here 485 is there, so next number, so it becomes 481,000. Next 67 is there, so 487,000. Then here 3 is there, so it automatically be the same number, 485,000. So out of all this, which is the greatest number? 486 will be greatest, 487 will be the greatest number when rounding off to 487,000. So 86, 81, 87. So this option C will be the right answer for the greatest and nearest to the nearest 1,000 when we round it off. Next one, question number 19. Select the correct match. Okay, so this is not the difficult one. That is very easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. So this will not be the right answer. Definitely. Next one. 1s, 10s, 100, 1,000, 10,000. 90,000 is there in answer you got. So this will not be the right answer. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 80,000 right. 500 right. 40 right. 80. So option C is the right answer. 1s, 10s, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. 1,80,548. This is right answer. Let us check the last one also. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are there. But here we got 5 digits. So this will be the wrong option. So for 19th question, question number C is the right answer. Next question 20. 20th. Let's do this. Largest 5-digit number that can be formed by using the digits. See, I always tell you, whenever you see the digits, first write the digits exactly what is given. By using the digits 6, 4, 0 and 7 each at least once. So you need to use at least once and you need to form the number. That means it doesn't mean that you should not use twice, but you can use. Here if you observe all the 4 options, if they ask you just to use once, so directly you can write 7640, direct answer it is. But they have given you 5-digit number, so you have to use any number twice, then only you'll get the 5-digit number. Largest 5-digit number that can be formed by using each at least one. See here this is smallest 64, this is 76, this is also smallest. So from this and this we need to find the answer because both are 77. So from out of this two, 460 cannot be the largest digit, 640 can be the largest. Option D is the right answer when you compare these two. So you can directly cut short this because there are 60s and 76 which are lesser than this. So only 2 numbers you have with 77,000, and 77,460 cannot be the answer. 77,640 is bigger than 460. So option D is the right answer for this. Now let's move on to the question number 21. The height of Karan is CLX centimeters and the height of Sahil is CL11 centimeter. Who is taller among them? So as I told you, CLX, CL11. C is 100, L is 50, 10. So it becomes 160. C is 100, L is 50, and this becomes 150. So obviously 160 is greater than 152. So 160 is the height of Karan. So option A is the right answer for question number 21. Karan is 160 centimeters and Sahil is 152 centimeters. So 160 is greater. So that is taller. Who is taller? Karan is taller. Then let's move on to the question number 22. Sumit scored this much marks in the annual examination. What is the Hindu Arabic number for this Roman numeral? So the Roman numeral is given. So you need to find the value for it in the Hindu Arabic form. So what is the Roman numeral? CDLXXX11, right? So let us see. C is 100, D is 500. So 500 minus 100 is 400. Plus L is 50, X is 10, plus 10, plus 10, plus 2. 400 plus 50, 450 plus 10 is 460, 460 plus 10 is 470, 470 plus 10 is 480, plus 2 is 482. So 482 is the Roman numeral for the given value. So what are the options given here? Option 500, 432, 482 and 453. So 482. Option C is the right answer for question number 22. Next, question number 23. Soham has 5 balls, okay, having the digits 4, 2, 3, 1 and 7. The smallest 5-digit odd number and that Soham can form using these digits each only once. So you need to use these digits only one time, and it is clearly given it's odd number. So the ending number should be the odd number. So how do you find this? The numbers given are question number 23. Numbers given are 4, 2, 3, 1 and 7. These are the numbers given. So, and the instructions are the smallest 5-digit odd number we need to find. From this you need to find the smallest odd number. So smallest odd number you need to find. and so on forms using by digit. Odd number means you have the chance of numbers ending with 1, 3 and 7, because 4 and 2 are even numbers, so 1, 3, 7, it should end with 1, 3, 7. So definitely this will not be the question, because this is ending with the even number. So either first, like A, B or D must be the option. So let us form the digits first. So smallest number, so let us write 1, 2, 3, ending should be 7. So this is the smallest number which we can form by using these digits. So ending number is an odd number, so it is the smallest odd number. Now that number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Yes, option D is the right answer for question number 23. Let's move on to question number 24. So question number 24 is, Shika makes a profit of rupees 85 crore 3,55,039. Her profit can be written in Indian system. It's clearly given here. 85 crore. Crore comes in Indian system. So first let us form 24th. First let us form the ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay, out of this, yes, see, $5,039. So 39, 55,000. So this is 1,000 and this is 1,000. This is 55,000. Then 85 crores. So there might be one more. So 85 crores. 85 crore 3,55,000. 3,55,039. So how do we write this? So this is 85 crores. 355,039. This is the number. See here, these two are crores, so it is given 85 crores. So first write that. Then it is given 3,55,000. 3,55,000. Then 39. So this is the number you can form from this. So let us see the options. As the option 850355,039 is the one which you got the answer. So option C is the right answer for question. So option B is the right answer for question number 24. 85 crores 3,55,039. Okay, option B is the right answer. Next question number 25. On some day, factory A produces this much tea bags, factory B produces this much tea bag, factory C is this much tea bag, factory D is this much tea bag. So A, B, C, D are the four things. Which factory produces greater number of tea bags on that day? So let us first write what is given. There are four factories. Factory A, factory B, factory C and factory D. Factory A is 412250. Factory B is 334278. Factory C is 424358. Factory D is 345896. So which factory is producing greatest number of thing? This is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. So every number is lakhs only. So here this is 3,45,000, this is 3,34,000, so this cannot be the option. Out of all this is the greatest one. So factory C is producing greatest number of tea bags, is producing greatest number of tea bags. Okay, so option C is the right answer for question number 25.